Hey everyone, today we are going to be showing you how to replace your earpads on your old Beats by Dre earphones or headsets. These are some Solo 2s, and as you can see, the earpads are quite worn out. As a matter of fact, they're flaking and it's quite dirty, but the sound quality is still good. So I definitely recommend getting these earpads, and they're quite cheap. I got them on Amazon, so you can, I'll put a link below, but let's go ahead and show you how to replace them. So first, as you can see with this ear replacement set, we had this little pick. We also had like some alcohol wipes and a little plastic device where you scrape off the glue. But first, you have to just go ahead and use that pick to separate the ear pads.
Now be gentle, but you don't have to be overly cautious. And as you can see, we're just balancing it out by picking apart throughout the whole ear pad.
So we're just gonna squeeze the pick in and keep pulling it apart until the point we can use our fingers. Okay, so we're pulling it apart now. Okay, here we go. So as you can see, that's how it looks like once it's pulled apart. And you just want to be careful, make sure nothing wet gets inside or anything, so don't have a cup of water next to your table. Now we're going to go ahead and use this little plastic piece to scrape off all the glue. So the glue is a little bit of a hassle. It may take a little bit of time, but there's a few little plastic pieces that you want to avoid breaking. So these are the two little plastic pieces I was speaking about. You don't want to break those off while you're peeling off the glue. All right, so we almost have the glue off now. As you can see, there's a lot of little flaky parts of the ear pad that fell off. It's quite dirty, and that's why we needed to replace it. So if you have those flaky little pieces off the ear pads, make sure to clean it off, because after when you do stick on the new ear pads, you don't want those little pieces to flakes to get in between. All right, so next we're gonna go ahead and start cleaning it with these alcohol pads, just to get the glue residue completely off as much as possible. It doesn't have to be perfect. Be gentle around these little plastic pieces that stick out. Now, if your solos are flaking like this, you want to make sure to go ahead and stick the ear pad on after cleaning the first one, and be very careful. Make sure the table's clean so that the flakes don't fall inside the little holes here. Okay, when putting on the new ear pads, you just want to make sure that you have the left and right side correct. So as you'll see on this side, there is a little USB-C port, and you will see like a little hole area right here so that it fits into here. Okay, so next is quite simple. Make sure that after you use the alcohol pad, that it's nice and clean and ready to stick on. Now earlier I mentioned those little plastic pieces that are sticking out, those little pointing things. Now there's holes in the ear pads, and you're gonna want to put those holes, make sure that they align. So let's go ahead and show you. Okay, so you'll feel it'll like kind of fit in. So go ahead and peel off the 3M. All right, so like I said, just make sure that those little plastic pieces that stick out fit into the holes, and then it will keep the ear pads aligned. Okay, so once it fits into place, go ahead and just use your fingers and push really hard. Okay, so once we get that in, now we're ready to work on the next ear pad. Alright, so just like the earlier ear pad, we're going to use that little pick and start splitting it apart. And once again, try to fit the little grooves into those little plastic pointing things. So we're pretty much done, and you should have a nice, clean, almost new set of beats. What I recommend at the end is to either start using them or to get like a yoga block. And if you don't have a yoga block, you can use books, whatever, anything to put pressure on the adhesive of the ear pads. And that's pretty much it, guys. So I hope this video helps. If it does, please consider liking, commenting, or subscribing. And I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.